Hi guys and welcome to Fxmarketstrategyadmin. We're just gonna look at the market quickly. Sorry, I'm not gonna be able to stay long. A little bit my eyes hurting, so I have to be short. So please, if you do guys have any question, put in the short right here. Hi Tariq, alaikum salam. So we're just gonna look at this right now. I'm gonna increase the light a little bit. You can see the euro index is about to fall. It did break this upward channel, which was a correction channel after a down wave, and it's coming back. It may do a retest, it may just come back. Okay, first let's look at here what's going on in the market right now. You can see the New Zealand is strong, and Australian, Canadian is halfway, and you can see safe haven, dollar and Japanese yen are kind of weak, but franc is not with them. What this tells me is the market is not ready for trading yet. The market is not ready for trading yet. Okay. What I wish to see today, especially in New York session, is the New Zealand and Australian and Canadian, three of them at the right side here, and they look red. And the dollar and Japanese yen and franc to the left side, and the stock market's crashing. Okay, so that's what I really would like to see. If I see this confirmation with our VSA power meter system, I will be feeling confident to start selling the DAX and the Dow, with high potential profit. Okay, guys. You can see the bound index is coming back. So as we expected, the bound long term is a fall, guys. It did give a daily signal. So watch out, the bound may be crashing in the coming time. That's something to keep the eye on. We're just gonna look at the DAX, guys. I don't think this is a bad sell. If you want to sell the DAX, your stop loss should be right here. That's possibly the okay sell. So if you guys want to be in this sell, it's probably not bad. But you have to make sure that like I use a stop loss just in case it does go up. Okay, guys, we don't guarantee this is gonna work 100%, just in case. Okay, so that's something to pay attention to. Hi guys. What I would be interested to sell is actually, so once we sell the DAX, don't go and sell SPX and Dow, because all of them are gonna go the same direction. See here, SPX is the same thing. If we do remove this indicator right here, just make it clear. That was the SPX, guys, analysis we have done before, because the SPX is the master for the market. If you get this right, you're probably gonna be good. You can see, guys, this fall, it did make a correction, it's coming back. So this is a potential is gonna come all the way down here. Okay, watch out for this reverse, or maybe very, very dangerous all the way down to here. So keep the eye. I will zoom this out for you guys. Okay, I'm not saying it does have to happen, just in case if it doesn't work out. But there's a big talk everywhere that second coronavirus round is gonna hit, is gonna be so bad. So just to let you know, there is a potential for this to fall. If you do take this one, I would put the stop loss either here or there. Okay, but this does have the potential to fall. I would give it about 70% chance it's gonna fall. So you just keep in consideration there's about 30% chance it may break up and go up. But I don't think what everything is going. The market is ready even for the first 2-3 days in the market. Maybe on Friday we can see a rise in the equity, but maybe Monday, Tuesday we can see a big correction to the downside. So I can see the SPX coming to 2984, which is about 100 pips, and the 100 points. Those 100 points in the SPX is equal to about 1,000 in the Dow. So if we go to the Dow, if the SPX is gonna go about 900, 90 point, this 25 88, so we're looking at 24 800. Okay, So if this is gonna work in if this is gonna work in the SPX, your target in the Dow, if you want to trade the Dow instead, will be right here, okay, at this level. If this level is broken, then probably you're gonna have a crash. Watch out for this one. Do not buy at that one without a price action or stop loss, because you may get a fall right here in the Dow. This scenario may happen like this, okay? Then you get some orders to go to the upside like this. Then you get in this buy. Then you get another big wave down. So this scenario also can happen, guys. So please pay attention to this one. And if you pay attention, there looks like a trend line is building up here. Okay, so if you take this one and you copy like that, okay, and you put it all the way here, you can see this is coming close to this one. So if this one is gonna work to the downside, it's gonna look like that. Okay, if it does break to the upside, it's gonna look like this. So this is really a critical area right here, in my opinion, is gonna determine a lot of things to happen for the this week and maybe even next week. Okay, it's gonna offer a lot of trading opportunities. Okay, guys, I would go to the euro dollar, which we all love. I would only be selling the euro dollar. I will never buy euro dollar at that price. You guys know my opinion about euro dollar. You can see this line right here, and you can see that one, which is pretty typical channel. Even if it does go up a little bit, I'm not concerned. I think it's gonna come back down. Okay, my target for euro dollar, I would be looking at that price, which is 1.1015 or so. I would type it here for you guys, 1.10. I think that, yeah, like that. Okay, so that's my target right here for euro dollar. USD CAD, guys, I would avoid this one. If you want to sell it, limit at 1.37, probably not too bad. Pounds are gonna probably crash if you guys want to sell this one, but not too much. So I want to come to something here. Euro Australian, we talked about Euro Australian going up, guys. You can see start giving some bullish momentum right here. You can see this level has been supported here. If we can go 1 hour time frame, it's very strong support level. Okay, and you can see it has been ranging before. Sell pound Canadian, just avoid that one. You can see this is probably the level you want to take profit at. So if we draw this support right here, you can see that makes sense, right? I hope the sound is good, guys. The sound is good. Please type for me because I'm really tired today. Sorry about that. Okay, so I would be looking at 1.64 from 1.63. If this level, if there is a big market and stuff, things are moving fast, then that's your second level right here. Okay, and if you want to put stop loss, it's probably here somewhere. Okay, guys, this will happen probably if we get the SPX going down and all this stuff, and euros getting really weak. I mean, euro is getting strong against Australia. Australia is getting really weak. So we do expect the euro to get strong again. Euro gets strong against Australian and weak against the dollar. So watch out for this one. Okay. Same thing for you in New Zealand here. It may be reversing. So guys, watch out for this. Don't go and buy both of them at the same time. Probably not the smartest idea. And probably that's your target right here. If you want to take this one, and your stop loss should be about 50 pips down here or something. This may work out really good, guys. Gold is coming down, and the reason it's coming down because the dollar probably going up. That's the only reason, okay? But I think gold is gonna end up being going up. So longer term, gold is gonna go up, guys. So probably if you can catch a buy here somewhere in the reverse area, about 1730 or something. I don't think it's gonna fall more than that. Anyway, New Zealand dollar. Let me check the chat here. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button. Sorry, I didn't read most of the comments here. I'm just. Oh yeah, what about pound? Pound dollar. We're probably gonna go sell it. The Dow is gonna do the same as Nasdaq, with a little bit of difference. The Dow is gonna sink more than the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, when it's going down, it's gonna go slower. When it's going up, it's gonna go faster. So it does correlate to the SPX with a little bit of deviation. You guys asking about the bound mostly. Okay, let's look at the bound. Just first, guys, I want to give you some good trades right here before we jump to the bound. Hey guys, this euro yen, it may end up being not too bad. Okay, so the euro yen may work good. Of course, the signal did start here in the 4 hour, but did do a correction. It may work out good. If the stock market is gonna crash, the euro yen may be falling to 118.40 or something. You may get 150 bips down if the stock market is gonna crash. So I'm gonna give you guys here the Australian. Okay, guys, watch out if the stock market is gonna fall. Australian GBY probably is gonna fall also. So if you guys want to take the risk and sell this one, I would really prefer to wait you guys for like New York session. Don't take too many trades now, especially Monday. But this may be a potential sell right here, and your target will be like 72 or so. Okay, so this may work out good. Watch out for this trade. It may work out good. Okay, so Australian JPY, after this candle close a little bit up, then you can see a new candle coming down. You may probably join that new candle. This may end up being really good. Okay, guys. We talked about gaps in the weekly forecast, and you guys can see the gap. The market did opening gaps as expected in the weekly forecast, which was good. Okay, guys. So you talked about the bound. You guys can see the bound did make another continuation 4 hour candle right here. Of course, this is not the best trade to take. We believe in the best entry for best like risk to reward, which was right here, that entry, okay? And right here, it was like this entry, like this. Right here, it's a continuation, right? So if you click right here, you're gonna get a continuation. So for best to reward is not the best, but what I can see it coming down. So I'm just gonna use clear here. Okay, guys. If we can just. Okay. So really, if you're gonna take this sell, you want your stop loss to be kind of at the top of this top a little bit. You guys can see those two candles, right? You don't want too big of a stop loss. So really, you want the stop loss right here. Okay, guys. So if you're gonna take this sell, you want your stop loss to be kind of the top here. And if it doesn't hit stop loss, don't trade it for today because you may just keep ending up buying and selling and losing. So, and this potentially will work good. You're gonna see the trend is clear in New York time, which we do prefer to trade. But if you want to take this sell, like don't take also too big of a stop loss because this was the entry right here. That was a continuation. That was a continuation, and that's the second continuation after initial sell. Continuation number one, actually continuation number two, continuation number three. So this is not the best sell to take. However, you can see if you look at technical, this level right here was before it was like a support. It did bounce from here, it was a resistance because it did break it massively. It was a really big candle, and once it did break, it's like bang, huge amount. See right here, it was also it's a respected level 1.2451. Look at this one, has been respected so many times, right? Has been respected. So it's a very well respected level right here. You can see. And for those guys like volume profile, that's a high volume area when the time has been the low of time at this price. Okay, even this candle was huge. Also, once it did break, it did make a retest right here. You can see this level. So 1.2450, because it's also a round number, it's between 1.2 and 1.3. So it has been respected so many times lately. So watch out for this one. This may be just a fall, then a retest, then a falling back down here. If this is not a fake break, okay? So that's something to consider. I will not buy a pound dollar for sure, because I am like long in the dollar, so I will not for sure buy pound dollar. I either sell it or don't trade it. And my sell was perfect here, is okay here. I hope this will answer for you guys for the pound dollar. Pound franc is similar analysis. Yeah, I'm not sure what you're talking about. A volatility index like SPX or what? Australian JPY. It's a potential if the stock market is gonna come down. Okay, so this is a potential to come down. So watch out for something like this. Okay, guys. So sorry guys, I'm not gonna be able to stay long today. Just got my eyes is hurting. So if I feel better, I will be coming in New York time, which probably is gonna be crazy this week. You guys expect high volatility this week because when you see a lot of talk about second round and investors and all that stuff. So even if nothing is gonna happen, you're gonna get volatility. Okay. So watch out for this stuff. We're gonna get volatility this week. So make sure you do risk management. Use a small lot size. Don't go heavy on Monday. The market not usually the greatest on Monday. Take it easy. If you guys are interested in our trading tools and systems, you are guys most welcome to download them from our website www.fxmarketstrategy.com. You guys know the cost is $249 per year, and you get help with installation, and you get online also education and how to use the systems and stuff. Thank you. Thanks, Mukesh. Okay, guys, that's about like 20 minutes, short 2 minutes or so. So I thank you for joining me today. And I said to keep you guys updated about the market and what's going on, what the potential trades today and the reverse of the market. And hopefully you can get back in New York time, and we give nice update also to keep you guys updated about what's going on in the market. Okay, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.